couple of months ago, my buddy Chuck called me and asked me if I could seal coat his heating and cooling shop. I said, yeah, it'd take a little while to get to it. I called him last Monday and I said, can you get your trucks moved so that I can get into your shop this weekend? He says, certainly. Well, he moved his trucks, and this is what I've got. I guess we're going to do a lot of power washing here. The first thing we're going to do is scrape some of this oil off of here with just our regular shovels. We'll blow off this entire parking lot before we start washing it. We've just gone ahead and wetted down this area that's stained with oil. I'm going to go ahead and saturate it with Dawn dish soap and let it sit for a little while. Been washing this parking lot now for about 3 hours, and I think it's finally ready for sealer. We did a really good job of cleaning up the oil stains. That area underneath my truck is pretty clean. This is another thing. This is Gem Seal sealer, and I only cut it about 20%. You can see that I'm giving a nice thick layer of sealer. It's not watered down like the other guys. Here's a little tip for you guys in the business. Take a piece of masking tape and tape the very end of your stripe. And then when you come back tomorrow to stripe this, you can just pull the tape and you know where every line is. You don't have to relay it. When we start spraying this, for the first couple passes, we'll run our wand at about 7 and 2. That way, clockwise, about 7 and 2. That way, all of the overspray will come on the operator and not go on what it doesn't belong on.